Hello, magandang araw, class. So, it's me again, Sir Gerald. So, for today, I will be providing you another supplemental video regarding our class. So, this is actually a part of Module 2, Part 1. So, this is operation of polynomials, addition and subtractions of polynomials or algebraic expressions. So, again, ito ay isang supplemental video lang ulit. So, hindi niyo siya kailangang panoorin or kung ano man. Hindi ako mamimilit. Ano. But for those na medyo nahihirapan dun sa kung paano yung pagkakasulat nung module natin, medyo wordy kasi. So, ito na yung consideration natin. So, babalik lang ulit tayo. When we talk of operations on polynomials, you should by now know the definition of polynomials. In our module, we also have there some definitions regarding polynomials. What are the degrees of polynomials? How do we call polynomials na dalawa lang yung term, isa lang yung term, tatlong term. Also, those polynomials na may degree na 1 or 0, na 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So before we proceed to operations on polynomials, okay, let's first have some review of some of the basic concepts that you may have learned even in your earlier days of education or earlier days of mathematics. So for our review, let's delve into some properties of algebra. Ito ay hindi na bago sa inyo. So, what are those properties that we need to talk about? So we have there, if we have ABC as any term, by any term, any number, constant man yan, variable, or combination of the two, we will present yung mga kakaiba nating laws. So first law natin is the law of addition or cumulative law of education. So for our first law, uh, in cumulative law of addition, it is just simply if you are to add A and B, let's say we'll have A plus B, okay? This is actually equal. We can, by cumulative, we can interchange the position of A and B. So we will have B plus A. So, kumbaga, ano man yung arrangement nila, same yan. Or let's say, equal lang silang dalawa. As long as you are considering na yung operation na ginamit natin ay addition. So, kumbaga, if you have 1 plus 2, that is actually equal to 2 plus 1. Yun lang ibig sabihin ng law na to. And another thing or another concept is cumulative law of multiplication. So for cumulative law of multiplication, if we are to multiply A times B, this is just the same as saying B times A. So kung ganun lang din sa example natin kanina, ito ay sa multiplication lang, pwede natin siyang pagbaliktarin. So, uh, paalala ko lang, itong loss natin na to, or itong second law natin, cumulative law of multiplication, ay hindi natin pwedeng gamitin sa division. Okay? We cannot cumulate or cannot commute our divisor and dividend when it comes to division. Hindi yung katulad ng cumulative law natin na pwede natin gawin yon. Halimbawa, if you have A minus B, pwede natin yang i-commute using cumulative law of addition. Kailangan lang nating tanggalin yung negative na yan. Paano natin tatanggalin yan? So, bali ang mangyayari lang dyan, i-treat natin yung negative sign at yung B as isang entity lang. So, mangyayari, magkakaroon tayong A plus B, negative B. Okay, so isusulat natin siyang ganyan. Tapos pwede na natin siyang makommute. Okay? So, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng negative B, lagyan natin sa parenthesis, plus A. Possible yun. So, subtraction. But when it comes to division, we cannot commute the divisor. By that, say, halimbawa, meron tayong A divided by B or A over B, it is not equal to B over A. So, pakitandaan niya na, these are not equal. Hindi sila equal sa isa't isa unless yung A at B mo ay equal sa isa't isa. But hindi yun yung laging case. Okay? So, ang next natin is associative law of addition. So, when we talk of associative law, associate, it deals with the groupings. Okay? So, when we talk about groupings, parang ganito na. If we have A plus B na naka-parenthesis, then we added that to C, another term, that is also same with like saying like this. So, we have A plus B. Ang naka-parenthesis natin ay yung B plus C. Same yan. Actually, kung i-expound nyo pa yung thinking niya, pwede nyo rin yung isulat na since pag pinagsama natin yung halimbawa, yung cumulative, yung first rule, at saka yung first and second rule yung gagamitin natin, yung associative at saka yung cumulative, pwede natin siya actually isulat na yan ay equal din sa B plus A plus C. Magwo-work din siya. Okay? So, for any value of A, B, and C, as long as our operation is addition, we can use associative law of addition. Okay? So, next natin is associative law of multiplication. Same. Okay? So, if we are to multiply A times B and that is group, then multiply natin siya sa C. That is actually same as writing A multiplied to B times C. Okay? Pwede rin siyang gamitin din yung cumulative law of multiplication. Apply natin dito. That is actually equal din sa B times A times C. Okay ba? So, ganun lang yung natin. Same yun. We used hindi pala second ito. Ito ay third rule. Ito ay second and fourth rule. Yung associative at cumulative natin. Pinagsama natin sila. Okay? And lastly is just a combination of addition. This is actually for addition and multiplication. Okay? So, sa distributive law, it follows a certain point or form. Let's say you are to add B to C, okay? And outside that parenthesis, you are to multiply A. So, in essence of distributive law, this is actually just equal to A times B, okay? Plus A times C. So, paano nangyayari yon? So, anong nangyayari lang, dun sa distributive law natin, itong A, dinistribute lang natin dun sa B. Okay? And yung A, minultiply din natin dun sa C. Okay? So, linawin lang natin. When it comes to distributive law, kailangan nyo lang tandaan lagi na dapat yung nasa loob ay addition. Okay? Addition dapat yan para sa pag-distribute natin. Pwede rin siya mag-work sa subtraction, though be mindful of the negative sign. Okay? So, for example, you have there, sulat sa baba. Let's say you are to multiply A to, let's say, 2B minus C. Okay? So, mag-work din siya. Just be mindful of the subtraction sign. So, this will be equal to A. So, we have there 2AB minus AC. So, ganyan. Distributive pa rin siya. But you just need to be careful with the negative sign. For the division, pwede rin siyang mag-work. Itong distributive law natin. So, present na lang natin siya sa time na i-discuss na natin division. Since ang pag-uusapan lang naman natin ngayong araw ay yung addition and subtraction of polynomial. So for the other properties of algebra, this hindi kasi siya talagang law. Pero yung iba, kino-consider nila na law. But it's more of property of multiplication and division, wherein yung tinatawag nating cancellation. Okay? Actually, walang term mismo na cancellation, pero yun na yung tumatak sa atin, yun na yung ginamit or accepted na siya as isang tawag dito, isang norm. So when we talk of cancellation, it works with formulas. Okay? So by formulas, let's say we have here A plus B, tapos this is equal to, tapos meron ka sa kabilang side ng equation, meron kang A plus C. Pag meron tayong ganito, nakita nyo na pareha sila ng sign, pareha silang plus, tapos nakita nyo may magkatulad kayong numbers like itong A at saka itong A, tapos pareha sila ng sign at nasa magkabila silang side ng equation, ang nangyayari, pwede mo na siyang i-cancel. So, this equation is just also equal to B is equal to C. Same with say multiplication. So we have there A times B is equal to let's say A times C. Since parehas ulit sila, parehas sila ng sign, walang negative at kung ano man, pwede mong i-cancel yan and you will be left with B is equal to C. So that is the other property of algebra, which is cancellation. It both works for addition and multiplication. Okay? So now that's discussed. Let's go to another term or another say review or specific concepts that we need to remember. So similar terms and dissimilar terms. So when we talk of terms, sabi natin nung sa nung nandun sa module, pag sinabi nating term, halimbawa meron kang x square plus 2x plus 1, meron tayong tatlong terms dito. So, ano yung tatlong terms na sinasabi ko? So, meron kang first term dito. Okay? So, we have there x square. That's the first term. This is the second term. 2x. Tapos third term ito. So, when we talk of similar and dissimilar terms, ito yung nabanggit ko na sa inyo nung last supplemental video natin. Wherein, dun sa law of exponents, kailangan nating tingnan yung mga tinatawag nating same yung base. Pero for similar terms, and dissimilar terms, bali ganito yan. For this example, makikita nyo kasi parehas na may x yung x square at saka yung 2x, tama ba? But not necessarily that they are similar terms. For terms, or yung numbers, kasi sabi nga natin, ano yung mga terms dito? Mga terms ng expression na to ay yung x square, yung 2x, tsaka yung 1. Para mabasabi natin na similar terms sila, kailangan yung variable, okay, and yung exponent nila ay pare-parehas. At sabi ko sa inyo last time, kapag ang isang variable ay walang nakasulat na exponent, it is understood that that is equal to 1. So, kapag sinabi natin ulit na ang similar terms ay dapat parehas ang variable, parehas na variable as in parehas ng letter, parehas silang x, parehas silang y, then, parehas sila ng tinatawag nating exponent. Since ito ay 2, at ito ay 1, at ito ay wala, which means pwede yung 0. 0 yung, yung exponent nung constant natin yan. Ibig sabihin, itong tatlong to ay actually magpo-fall dun sa tinatawag natin sa dissimilar terms. Okay? So, anong itsura ng similar terms? So, pwedeng similar terms, kung halimbawa, gagawa natin ng similar term yung x square. Ang similar terms for x square ay itong mga to. Pwede natin yung isulat na, pwedeng negative x square. Pwedeng 2x square. Pwedeng 100x square. Lahat ng tatlong to, itong tatlong to, ay actually similar term to x square. Bakit kanyo? As definition ng similar term, titingnan nyo, pare-parehas sila na may base na x square. Okay? At, x. At pare-parehas din yung exponent nila ay square or raised to 2. Okay? So, para naman sa similar terms for 2x. Pwede dyan yung kahit anong variable as long as meron siyang same na variable na x lang. So, mangyayari dyan, pwede dyan ang negative 4x. Pwede dyan ang 5x. Pwede dyan ang 10x. Okay? As long as yung variable niya ay parehas at same sila ng degree or same sila ng exponent. Okay? So, para dun sa 1, ng similar term niya, syempre lahat ng constant. Yung 1, yung 2, yung 3, and 4, and so on and so forth. So, bakit ba importante yung sinasabi nating similar terms? Kasi yung similar terms na yan yung gagamitin natin later dito sa addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay? So, bakit ba nabanggit yan? Kung nabasa nyo na actually yung nasa nasa module, ang may binigay yata ako doon tungkol sa apples and strawberries ba? Hindi ko sure kung ano yung mismong binigay kong example. Ang binigay ko, mango and strawberry. So, yung sinabi doon na na 10 mangoes and 5 strawberries. Berries. So, ito yung sinasabi natin na pwede nating i-apply yung sinasabi nating similar term. So, kasi kung if we are to add 10 mangoes and 10 strawberries on the notion of algebra, kung titingnan nyo actually, similar ba tong mangoes at strawberry? Kung isipin nyo, similar terms ba siya? Hindi. Kung isipin nyo kasi, pwede mong i-treat yung mangoes as x. Tapos, syempre hindi mo pwedeng i-treat na x din yung strawberries. Kasi may naset ka na ibang value para dun sa x. So, mangyayari dyan, meron kang y. Okay? So, kumbaga, hindi similar terms ang dalawang yan. So, when it comes to addition and subtractions of polynomial, hindi natin sila pwedeng pagsamahin yung mga tinatawag nating coefficients. Or by coefficients, yung number na attached dun sa ating mga tinatawag nating variables. Okay? So, kung nabasa niyo na dun sa module, actually, ang isinulat dun, kaya kapag pinag-add mo yung 10 mangoes at 10 strawberries, hindi natin siya pwedeng isulat as 15 fruits. Kasi iba-violate natin yung ruling natin dito uh, sa algebra. So, dapat kasi dito sa algebra, ang pwede lang natin ipag-add ay yung mga bagay na pare-parehas yung terms. Okay? Or pare-pare or yung tinatawag nating similar terms. So, nangyayari dito, this is just equivalent to 10 mangoes plus 5 strawberries. We just need to rewrite that. Okay? So, ganun yung ginagawa dito when we talk of addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Papansinin nyo, halimbawa, dito sa examples na nakalagay na dito. So, we have here 2a plus 5a. Kung papansinin nyo, anong meron sa 2a at sa 5a? Pareha sila a, yung exponent. Meaning, sila ay matatawag nating matatawag natin silang similar terms. So, kapag i-add na natin sila yan, lalahanin nyo yung ikalima or yung fifth na law na ginamit natin or yung diniscuss natin kanina, yung distributive, pwede actually natin yung ipakita dito. Ano? So, by distributive, kung maaalala nyo, baliktad yung nangyayari. Ngayon, nakamultiply ka sa labas, i-distribute mo sa loob. So, para dito, actually, pwede mong i-visualize yun na ganun. So, kumbaga, imbes na i-distribute mo dun sa bawat term yung isang number, dun sa bawat term, tanggalin mo yung A. Let's say, yung A na yan. Tanggalin natin siya. Ilabas natin siya. Sulat natin siya rito as A. Tapos, i-multiply mo lang siya dun sa mga naiwan. So, we have there 2 plus 5. Okay? Pag inad mo sila, kakaroon ka ng A times 7. So, mangyayari na lang dyan, by rearranging, we have there 7A. Basically, when we talk about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, it's just a ay parang kung susundin mo yung process ng sunod-sunod, ang nangyayari, para siyang nagiging uh, reverse or inverse nung tinatawag nating distributive law. Okay? So parang ganun lang din yung sa susunod, ano? So if we have 6y minus 8y, so pwede mo na lang palang gawin ay isulat mo na lang yung y. Okay? Sulat mo na muna yung y. Tapos ang gagawin mo na lang, you just need to operate with the said coefficients or yung tinatawag natin itong ating 6 at saka yung 8. Since yan ay minus din gagawin natin. So, we have there 6 minus 8. Sa mga nakakatanda pa ng basic na arithmetic, that is actually equal to negative 2. Then, you just need to rewrite y. So, we have there 2y. So, diretso pa natin yung practice. Pansinin nyo, paikli ng paikli yung, yung solution ko. So, shortcut. Shortcut natin. So, pwede yung, since pare-parehas ulit sila ng, natin, ng variables, ibig sabihin, pare-pareha sila na pwede natin silang i-add or pwede natin subtract pag samasamahin. So, ganun lang ulit yung gagawin natin. We just need to rewrite x. Okay? Then, we just need to add or subtract the coefficients. Yung 3, yung 5, at saka yung negative 7. So, we have there 3 plus 5, that is 8. Okay? Then, we just need to minus 7, that is 1. So, 1, di na natin kailangan isulat kasi understood na kapag sinulat natin ang variable at wala siyang coefficient sa harap, that is 1. So, yan na po yung sagot natin. Okay? So, ganyan lang yung tinatawag natin subtraction and addition of algebraic expression. Medyo simple lang naman talaga siya tingnan. So, magiging komplikado na lang siya kapag dumami na yung numbers at nagkaroon tayo ng mga tinatawag natin hindi similar terms. So, halimbawa, kuha ko ng example dito. Wait lang. Ito yung nasa module din mismo. Let's say we are to simplify this. Okay? We are to simplify this number. Okay? So, in this number, ang kailangan lang natin gawin ay pag nagsisimplify, syempre babalik na naman tayo dun sa PEMDAS. Uunahin na naman natin muna yung parenthesis. Skip na natin yung exponent kasi wala namang exponent dito. Multiplication, parang wala namang i-multiply and so on and so forth. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. So, usually, ang rule na ginagawa dito, magsimula ka nasa pinakaloob na na parenthesis. So, pwede nating actually tanggalin 'yan, yung parenthesis na 'yan kasi kung titingnan nyo, kung hindi natin yung gagawin, hindi tayo makapag-proceed dito. Kasi kung titingnan nyo dito, yung 4x at saka yung 10 ay hindi similar terms. Okay? So, pwede nating tanggalin na lang muna yung parenthesis. Paano natin tatanggalin yun? So, may ruling dyan. Kapag positive, yung nasa labas, nung parenthesis natin, i-apply mo lang ulit yung tawag dito, yung distributive law. Wherein yung positive na yan, i-distribute mo sa 4. Pag positive, dinistribute mo sa 4x, same lang yun. Positive pa rin yun. Yung positive, binultiply mo sa negative, negative pa rin yun. So, kapag positive yung nasa unahan, ang mangyayari lang dyan, ay magkakaroon lang tayo ng 5 plus 4x minus 10. That's the first part of the nung pag-simplify natin. So, dito na siya magbabago sa part na to. Pwede kayong mag-proceed na, i-simplify nyo na siya here, dito pa lang. Or pwede naman kayong magtuloy-tuloy na tanggalin muna ng tanggalin yung mga grouping symbols natin or mga tinatawag nating parentheses, brackets, at saka curly brackets. So, pwede naman, kung sakali, kung mapapansin nyo kasi yung 5 at 10, similar terms sila. Okay? Pareha silang constant. So, pwede na natin silang i-add. Pero kung ayaw nyo pa, okay lang din naman. So ngayon, balik tayo ron sa pagtatanggal ng grouping symbols. Kung nakikita nyo, may negative dito sa harap. So dito na yung sinasabi kong sinasabi ko kaninang, kapag positive, hindi natin na gagalawin. I-rewrite na lang natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis na yan. Tatanggalin lang natin yung parenthesis. But for this scenario, magbabago. May inverse lahat nung signs natin. So, kumbaga, we have there 2x minus 3x. May inverse yung mga ano. So, baguhin natin yung kulay para makita nyo. Or, sulat ko muna yung mga numbers. So, we have there 5, 4x. Kailangan ko ilagay yung minus 10. Minus 10. Okay? So, natanggal na yung bracket, pero kailangan nating palitan yung mga symbols. So, yung positive 5 magiging negative 5. Yung positive 4 magiging negative 4. At yung negative 10 magiging positive 10. Okay? So, anong next na mangyayari dito? Ganun ulit. Kung ayaw nyo pa rin mag-simplify at knowing na meron na kayong similar terms dito, nasa sa inyo yun, kanya-kanyang trip yan. Pwede naman kasing sa dulo na lang mag-add lahat. So again, meron na naman tayong subtraction sign dito. So same, magpapalit na naman tayo ng signs nung sa nasa loob. So, retain mo yung 2x, okay? Then, isulat mo lang ulit yung mga numbers mo habang tatanggalin mo na yung bracket. So, magkakaroon ka dyan ng 3. Huwag yung kakalimutan yung negative. I-write yung negative 5. I-write yung negative 4x. Pwede nyo isulat yung 10 as is. Tapos, babalik na rin yung signs. Ang mangyayari sa pagkabaliktad ng signs, yung positive 3 magiging negative. Yung negative 5 magiging positive 5. Yung negative 4x magiging positive 4x. At yung positive 10 ay magiging negative 10. So again, at this point, pwede na kayong magkaroon ng groupings. So using cumulative property of addition, pwede niyo pagsamasamahin lahat ng similar terms at lahat ng similar terms pala. So, ang mangyayari dyan, pinagsama-sama na natin similar terms, 2x, x, 3x, x lang din, plus 4x, x lang din. So, we have there 2x minus 3x plus 4x. Tapos pagsasamahin natin yung 5 at saka yung negative 10. So, magkakaroon tayo na positive 5 minus negative 10. Kasi sila yung similar terms. Tapos, applying kung ano yung ginawa natin kanina rin sa basics na natin, i-add lang natin tong tatlong to. Kasi i-add natin tong dalawang to. So, coefficients lang titingnan natin. I-write mo lang yung x. Coefficients lang. So, we have 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4, that is 3. So, we have there 3x. Tapos, we'll have there 5 minus 10, negative 5. So, that will be your simplified form. Okay? So, the other formulas are actually given or presented in our module. So, you may look into that. Check nyo na lang. Nakasolve na rin siya ron kung paano siya sinolve. At actually, ito rin yung exercise na gagawin. Okay? So, for other examples, let me just jump into the internet para maghanap ng example natin. Huwag nyo na lang akong isumbong. Ano? Sorry. Alright, so, let's see. Algebraic expression, addition, and subtraction, algebraic expression. Okay, tingnan natin dito sa onlinemathlearning.com. Pag-usahan na akong issue for ano. Okay, gahanap ako ng mahirap-hirap class ha. Wait lang. Alright, example. We have there 3x plus 2y minus 2x. Example. We have there 3x minus 2y plus 2x plus 6. Okay. So, how's this? So, ganun lang ulit. Ano? You need to look for similar terms. So, kailangan nyo lang gawin, hanapin nyo yung mga variables or yung mga terms na pareha sila ng variables at pareha sila ng exponent. So, kung tatanungin ba kayo, similar ba ang 2y, ang 3x at saka 2y? Siyempre, hindi. Bakit? Kasi magkaiba sila ng variables. Isipin nyo, ang similar terms dito ay yung ating 3x at saka yung 2x. So, for this scenario, na halimbawa, yung negative 2y, wala siyang similar, at yung 6, wala rin siyang similar, wala na kayong kailangan gawin. You just need to rewrite that. So, we will have here, yung itong 2x natin, ay i-add lang natin dun sa ating 3x. Okay? Tapos, i-write lang natin, excuse me, i-write lang natin yung negative 2y, saka yung 6. So, we'll have there 5x minus 2y plus 6. Medyo napalayo lang yung sulat ko, pero hindi nyo kailangan magkaroon ng ano dyan, social distancing, ano. Okay, so we'll have there 2y plus 6. So, that's it. Dali lang, di ba? Okay, so, let's look for another example. Aha. Ito. Similar pala yun. Ito. Medyo magulo tong ganito. Sulat natin. Saan na yun? We have 5x. Example. For example 3, we have here 5x plus 6x squared plus 8x plus x cubed minus x squared. Okay. Medyo madali ito, ano? So, class, pag ganito, it is best na pag, di ba, usually kapag binigyan tayo ng ganitong equation, ang una nating gagawin or ang una nating iisipin ay pagsamasamahin yung mga similar terms. So, ang best na gawin kapag pinagsasama-sama natin or nire-rearrange natin yung terms para hindi rin tayo malito, mag-start ka rin sa pinakamataas ng exponent. So, halimbawa yan. Dito, ang pinakamataas ang exponent ay itong 3. So, susulat ko lang yung term na yan as x cubed. Ingat nga lang kapag naglilipat tayo ng mga bagay-bagay, always make sure na kinokopya nyo yung sign na ginamit dun sa problem or dun sa example. So, yan. So, meron pa bang x cube? Wala na. So, isunod natin yung x squared. So, x squared, ito, meron tayong plus 6x squared. Okay. Then, meron pa bang x squared? Ayun, sa dulo. Yan, tulad nito. Lilipat natin siya, tapos negative yung sign niya. So, huwag niyo kakalimutan yung negative. Magkakaroon tayo dyan. Negative x squared. Okay? Then, yung next, kung wala ng x squared, doon na tayo sa x. We have there, 5x. Hanap lang tayo iba pa. 8x. Okay, same dun sa nangyari kanina. Kung titingnan nyo na naman, wala na namang kasamang x cube. So, isusulat na lang natin siya. X cube. Then, i-add na lang natin yung similar terms or susubtract. Ano naman. So, since ito ay negative, tapos walang coefficient, that is understood to be negative 1. So, we'll have 6 minus 1, that is 5. So, we'll have there 5. Just rewrite yung, yung ating variable. Then, yung exponent niya. Hindi natin kailangan i-add yun kasi, or hindi natin kailangan pagawin yung exponent kasi hindi naman tayo nag-multiply. Then, we'll have there 5, tsaka 8. So, we'll have 13. We'll have 13x. Okay. So, bigyan ko kayo ng example. Kayo naman na mag-solve. I-post nyo lang yung video para, para hindi nyo ako makopya. So, example, ano na ba to? Example 4. Let's say we have 3x plus 3a plus 2b. Go ahead. Pause the video first. Then come back. Okay, kung nasolve nyo na, so bale, ang sagot dyan ay ito na rin. Okay? There's no need to simplify this type of problems kasi kung iisipin nyo, walang similar terms dito. Tama ba? Okay? Walang katulad na similar term yung x, walang katulad na similar term yung a, at walang katulad na similar term yung b. Okay? Kung nakuha nyo yan, congrats. Kung hindi, you may want to go back to the video kung saan natin in-explain yung dissimilar at saka yung similar. And balikan na lang dito pag naintindihan mo na yan. Okay? So, kung wala na kayong question, that will be all for this supplemental video. We'll be giving you another supplemental video on Wednesday. So, today, I'm recording this. Ngayong Monday, you will be expecting another video on Wednesday. Bye!